Can you tell us a bit more about what transnational repression looks like for Tibetans here in Australia?
So yeah, transnational repression is a really important issue right now. The Chinese government has always sought to intimidate Tibetans here. So there's political prisoners who now have parents back home that they want to go and visit. And the Chinese government has, with the help of the Australian government, opened this visa-free policy, right? Any Australian citizen can travel to China. So we've, got a lot of these former political prisoners who previously had a lot of trouble to get back, and they saw this opening and they couldn't resist the call of home. With their blue Australian passport in hand, land in China, government official would come and pull them out of that queue and interrogate them. This is an Australian citizen. Questions that these people would be asked was, why are you participating in the Tibetan language school in Sydney? Why are you going to Tibetan community events and protesting on the uprising day? Quite often they're just put on the next plane back and sent back to Australia. So this is happening to dozens of Tibetans. In addition, they come back and it permeates the community with fear. Terrified of, what the consequences for going to a community event. They get the sense they're being watched, and they are.